Welcome to 2688 Old Philadelphia Pike. Here you have off-street parking in the front. After coming down the driveway, here in the back you have a private entrance, as well as a lot more off-street parking. In the rear, there's a commercial space that may be listed for rent as well. With this space, it's all fenced in. Heading inside. After coming inside the front door, here you'll see your kitchen and a view facing back. Moving right along, here you have a formal dining area. After coming out of the formal dining area, here you'll notice you have a large open living space. After exiting there, here you have a lot more living space as well. This could also be used as a bedroom. And here you have a bathroom. This bathroom is first floor. It's a half bath. Going back through the living space here. Here you have a formal dining room, formal living room. Heading on up to the second floor. After getting up to the second floor, here you have a large bedroom. Here you have another large bedroom. This here leads into your bathroom. Here you have a full tub and shower, as well as a double vanity, all newly renovated. And here you also have washer and dryer hookups. Here's another bedroom. And a view facing back. Here you have lots of living space, or what could be used as a bedroom as well. Just one of the largest rooms in the house. There's two staircases in the house as well. Here's another angle of this room. And after coming through that room, you have this room as well.